Do you want to be recognized as an expert in Agile? PMI ACP is a credential that gives you the unique knowledge that barely a few others would have. In the 3-day masterclass, we get you ready for becoming an Agile Certified Practitioner. Your trainer Ashish will leverage his 27 years experience and share with you the best practices from around the world. With the rare combination of a trainer, consultant, and a hands-on Agile coach, you get to learn techniques that actually work in real life. During the 21 hours, you get practical insights on Scrum, XP, Lean, Kanban, Safe, and many more practices. With over 30 mocks, Agile templates, and a guidebook full of exam tips, you couldn't ask for more. As a bonus, you get the actual training PPTs with the voiceovers from the classroom to help you relive the experience. Get ready to lead and coach Agile teams. Call now to book your slot.